Hi everyone, I'm Allison. I'm a data scientist advocate here at Observable. In this short video, I'm going to show you how I can really quickly create a chart with binned or grouped data and a reducer, in this case a sum of values, starting with the chart cell and then converting to JavaScript where I can continue my customization. So here we have an already attached data set for energy production by different sources in the US over different years. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a chart that has the sum by source of energy production across all years. So to get started, I'm going to work in a chart cell. I'm going to click on this chart button. That's going to insert a new chart cell, and I can select my US energy data as my source. Now what I want to create is a bar chart that has the energy type on the y-axis and the sum of energy production, that amount on the x-axis. So for y here, I'm going to choose type. For x, I'm going to then choose quadrillion BTU. But on that x-axis, I don't want to have the individual observations for each year. I want to have the sum. So I'm also going to choose this reducer. So I choose sum, and now I have a bar chart showing the total amount produced over all years in this data set for each of these energy sources. I can do a little bit of customization right in the chart cell with no code. For example, I can choose to increase that left margin so that each of my different types shows up more clearly and isn't cut off. But I might want to do more customization where there aren't options that exist in the chart cell currently. And if I want to do that, I can convert to JavaScript. So I'll click the Convert to JavaScript button. This makes a copy of my existing chart and also exposes all of the JavaScript code in Observable Plot that was used to create it. And once I'm here, then I can customize this however I want to with additional code. Like, for example, maybe I'll add an additional sorting option. So I'll sort Y on X. And maybe I want to reverse that so I can add the reverse true option as well. So this is a quick example of how I can use the chart cell to quickly get started, especially with a chart that contains grouped or binned data and reducers, and then convert to JavaScript where I can continue customizing. So make sure to check out the rest of our Observabytes and keep an eye out for more coming soon.